And also, if you will be given the chance to talk to our Honorable President of the Republic of the Philippines, Mr. Bongbong Marcos, what would be the topic that you will be discussing to him? Once again, if you will be given the chance to conversate or makidiscuss, makidistorya sa atong President, what will be your topic to discuss?
If I would be given a chance to talk with our president, I would like to talk about poverty. Because let us look at around. We are struggling with poverty, especially in our country. And in flood control, because there is a lot of rumors right now that the corrupt politics should spend their money to our country, but instead they use it for their luxury bags and their beautiful